Hi everyone, I want to say a big thank you to Dr. Ahad for his help preparing for my MRCP Part 1. So what factors really helped me? I would say first things, past papers. I did all the past papers from 2015 to the latest, so it was really helpful, as well as Dr. Ahad's MADBOX series, also his compilation of Pearl notes. So yeah, those were really helpful for me preparing for my MRCP Part 1. Also, I would encourage you to have a study partner. Partner really keeps you in check, makes you accountable, also helps you to be consistent with your study, because I realized that it's more about consistency than doing everything in bulk at a time. So I would really encourage everyone who's preparing for the MRCP Part 1 to, be consistent, solve all the past papers. If it's possible to go twice, that would be great. Also use Dr. Ahad's MADBOX series, and when you have the time, also go through his Pearl notes. It's really helpful. Those things really helped me. And above all, I would say, don't forget God. God has really been a factor for me. Make sure you pray, meet your work to God before you do anything. It might be like, I'm just doing it, but it's really helped me a lot. So yeah, these are the factors that really help for my MRCP preparation. And I wish everyone taking the MRCP Part 1 exam a huge success. Thank you.